Good nutrition is the foundation of health, energy, and resilience, especially for young adults navigating busy schedules, evolving responsibilities, and the demands of daily life. Building a minimum acceptable diet, or 2MAD, doesn't mean settling for just the basics. Instead, it means ensuring each meal includes the vital nutrients your mind and body need to thrive. Let's explore 2 thoughtfully curated MAD meal plans designed specifically for young adults. Each plan balances protein, wholesome carbohydrates, beneficial fats, and a rainbow of vitamins and minerals, all drawn from accessible, affordable, and easily prepared foods. These 2 frameworks not only safeguard your health, but can also accommodate your budget and time constraints. The first meal plan centers around whole foods, mainly minimally processed ingredients that nourish and power the body while appealing to the senses. It begins each morning with a breakfast crafted for sustained energy, a bowl of warming rolled oats cooked to creamy perfection and topped with fresh slices of banana, or a vibrant handful of berries. Sprinkling on chia seeds or slivered almonds not only adds a satisfying crunch, but also provides omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals. A touch of honey or a dash of cinnamon brings natural sweetness and antioxidants, while a soft-boiled egg on the side delivers high-quality protein and vitamin D. This combination steadily fuels the morning, with a glass of low-fat dairy or fortified plant milk completing the meal and ensuring a steady supply of calcium and B vitamins for strong bones and optimal nerve function. By midday, as hunger and mental fatigue set in, the lunch break invites you to savor a nourishing grilled chicken or tofu wrap. Using a soft, whole wheat wrap as a base, layer in slices of grilled chicken breast for lean and flavorful protein, or swap in firm tofu for a satisfying meatless alternative, ensuring all eaters are included. Fresh leafy lettuce joins with juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumber, and creamy slices of avocado, each contributing antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. A spread of hummus or a yogurt-based dressing ups the flavor and brings a balance of healthy fats and gut-protective probiotics. On the side, enjoy a naturally sweet apple or orange, packed with vitamin C to boost the immune system and support skin health. As the afternoon wears on, an energizing snack fights fatigue and supports concentration. A small bowl of Greek yogurt, creamy and tangy, stirred together with a spoonful of freshly ground flaxseed boosts omega-3 intake and digestive health. For those on the go, a handful of roasted chickpeas or a modest trail mix featuring nuts and dried fruit can be a convenient, protein-rich option, staving off hunger and keeping blood sugar levels even. Dinner, the final nourishing touchstone of the day, takes the form of a wholesome grain bowl. Start with a cup of nutty brown rice or the fluffy, protein-rich grains of quinoa. Layer in a variety of vivid vegetables, whether steamed for tenderness or roasted for intensified flavor, from sweet bell peppers to garden-fresh broccoli and zucchini. For protein, select from flaky fish, cubes of paneer cheese, or deliciously spiced lentils. Finish with a modest drizzle of olive oil for monounsaturated fats, or a generous swirl of tahini sauce for creaminess and a hint of sesame flavor. This meal delivers sustained energy and abundant micronutrients, supporting relaxation and recovery as night falls. For the second plan, designed with affordability and quick preparation in mind, breakfast is kept simple, satisfying, and nutritious. Whole grain toast, the hearty, fiber-rich base, hosts a creamy layer of natural peanut butter and ribbons of ripe banana, marrying healthy fats, protein, and natural sugars for morning momentum. A boiled egg, served on the side, doubles down on protein and satiation, while a glass of milk, dairy or fortified plant-based, completes the meal with hydration, calcium, and additional protein. Lunch is rooted in the tradition of comfort and simplicity, with a generous bowl of lentil soup or flavorful dal. Rich in plant-based protein, iron, and fiber, lentils support muscle building and sustained energy while helping maintain stable blood sugar. Serve this hearty soup with a bowl of steamed rice or a couple of warm whole wheat rotis, both providing complex carbohydrates for long-lasting fuel. Pair this with a side of quickly sautéed or steamed greens, such as spinach, kale, or nutrient-packed amaranth, offering vitamin K, magnesium, and a host of protective phytonutrients. A wholesome snack in the afternoon prevents energy crashes and keeps metabolism steady. Choose a piece of bright, seasonal fruit, perhaps a crunchy apple, a tart guava, or a slice of sweet papaya, paired with a small handful of almonds or peanuts. This combination is simple, portable, and delivers a mix of vitamins, antioxidants, healthy fats, and a satisfying crunch. Dinner brings a quick, colorful stir-fry, easy to prepare even on busy evenings. Toss a medley of vegetables like carrots, green beans, or bell peppers in a hot skillet with a touch of oil or water until crisp, tender, and vibrant. Combine these with scrambled eggs or golden cubes of tofu, allowing protein to round out the meal and keep you feeling full and strong. Pile the mixture atop a moderate serving of whole grain noodles or ancient grains like millet, introducing more fiber and a delightful, wholesome chew. For those seeking extra comfort, add a dollop of plain, unsweetened yogurt on the side, bringing probiotics and a cooling contrast to the warm stir-fry. Both plans emphasize the importance of staying well hydrated throughout the day, with a steady aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water to support digestion, cognition, and overall well-being. Portions are flexible, designed to be adjusted according to your activity level, size, and appetite, ensuring no one walks away from the table either hungry or overly full. For lasting health and enjoyment, variety is key. Feel free to interchange fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains as the seasons change or as new favorites emerge. Rotate colorful berries and tropical mangoes into your oats. Alternate between roasted sweet potatoes and crisp cucumbers in your salads. Savor the distinctive taste of grilled fish one week and a robust lentil curry the next. In doing so, you'll expose your body to the full array of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds needed to foster resilience and stay protected against the stresses and illnesses that can interrupt your busy life. Above all, remember that nutrition is not just about what you eat. It's about fostering a daily rhythm that supports energy, mood, and focus while also providing pleasure and comfort. Each meal, no matter how simple, is an opportunity to invest in your long-term health. These two OMAD plans give you a foundation to do just that, delivering all the essential building blocks your body and mind need to thrive at the start of adulthood and beyond. By embracing balance, variety, and whole foods, even when time or resources are limited, you empower yourself to meet life's challenges with vitality, resilience, and a sense of well-being that will carry you confidently into the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips, diet plans, and fitness routines.